we are proud to demonstrate our Royal Master needle grinder. With this machine, we have revolutionized the needle grinder world. Without the complications of ECG in material limitations to only electrically conductive material, or the inherent problem of overcut due to uncontrolled ECM, we are grinding with a conventional abrasive or even a super abrasive wheel. The Royal Master needle grinder uses a grinding wheel up to 16 inches wide. The wheel spindle is variable in speed and capable of using super abrasive wheels. Our work holding is much more flexible and less expensive than the complicated old school platen and top plate design. Our work holding system is much more accurate and repeatable when rotating the group of parts for multifaceted part grinds. Rotational position is repeatable to 1/2 degree rotation. Our work holding system is based on a robot end effector with 14 or 20 collets, each integrated in a scrolling rotation of 360 degrees plus. Each collet is pneumatically operated, making an automatic load and unload a simple operation. Part length is better controlled and a part support shelf is provided for smaller part diameters. Needle diameter range is from 29 gauge or larger, which is 0.337 millimeters or 0.014 inches. With the optional automatic load and unload feature, the robot presents the end effector to the load station. The open collets receive the payload of needles presented against the collet stops and the collets close. The robot retracts and positions the end effector in front of the grinding wheel with a robot industry impressive positional accuracy of 4/10 across the 20 needle end effector. The robot moves the needles against the wheel face at a defined angle position with a set stock removal per oscillation pass. The number of passes is based on the part design. When grinding a multifaceted needle, the robot retracts, the collets rotate to an accurate rotational move position, and the next grind begins. This grinding phase of the total cycle time is followed by as many post-grind processes you require. This could include grit blast, laser etch, optical inspection, etc. A 21 gauge tri-facet lancet, for example, with 14 parts in the end effector, has a cycle time of 60 seconds. This calculates to 4.29 seconds per part. The 4.29 seconds per part includes auto load, 3-facet grind, grit blast, optical inspection, and auto unload. The yield is 840 parts per hour, or 20,160 parts per day. It is important to realize this production rate is based on a 21 gauge tri-facet lancet and includes not just grind time, but grit blast and optical inspection. Completely automated, the machines allow for only one operator to tend to 10 machines. Each machine can produce 7,056,000 parts per year. So each operator can produce 70,560,000 parts per year. 15 operators can produce over 1 billion parts per year, including load, grind, grit blast, inspect, and unload. The machine is built on a cast polymer base. It has a variable speed spindle, integrated coolant system, integrated machine enclosure, and an integrated Fanuc robot. The HMI is a Windows-based control with 3 active screens on display. All robot controls can be accessed and monitored on the screen. The grind screen has easy-to-navigate buttons for machine and cycle controls. The part creator screen is where you would set and monitor the grind phase robot moves. The part select screen has a limitless capacity library of programmed part grinds. Selecting a different part to grind is as easy as scrolling through a library listing of part numbers and pictures and tapping on it. There is no need to alter the robot code. The visual inspection screen will display live screen captures from a Cognex vision system, as well as a recent history of inspected parts. Measurement data is stored for retrieval and analysis. As you can see, this new needle grinder from Royal Master is a fast and automated solution to grinding burr-free needles. Easy to set up and easy to operate. Think about what post-grind processes you might want to include. Look at our dedicated website at needlegrinder.com. Contact Royal Master to schedule a test grind demonstration.